Jamaican woman dies after throat slash in the Bronx. Teen allegedly breaks into Portland house, takes over $100,000. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. A 37-year-old Jamaican woman was killed early Saturday morning in the Bronx when her throat was slashed. She has been identified as Ashley Smith of a Mount Vernon address. The police had not made any arrests in her death, nor had they offered a motive for her killing. However, alleged eyewitnesses in the Bronx claim she was involved in an altercation with another woman, and the dispute spilled out onto the street, where her throat was slashed. More details to come following further investigations. A man who allegedly broke into a house through a bathroom window and stole goods and cash amounting to over $100,000 in Buff Bay, Portland on Tuesday, May 28, has been charged. Charged with housebreaking and larceny is 19-year-old Warren Forbes of Pleasant Hill in Anatomy, St. Mary. According to the police, about 8 a.m., a woman securely locked her house in Buff Bay in Portland and left for work. Upon her return that evening, she realized her house was broken into. The police stated that further checks revealed that someone had gained entry through her bathroom window and stole $23,000 in cash, two Adidas slippers valued at US $35 each, and one black HP laptop and charger valued at $79,000. The police stated an investigation led to Forbes being taken into custody and subsequently charged. He will answer to his charges in court at a later date.